Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Polina and this is Elemental Face Yoga. My channel helps your face age naturally and gracefully, and my videos show you effective facial toning exercises, massage and acupressure so your face benefits from noticeable results that last. This video is a wonderful head and scalp massage using your hands to create an immediate relaxation of tension frequently held in the head and the scalp. Do you remember the beautifully relaxing feeling you experience when your head is massaged at the hairdresser? Well, similar effect can be produced at home with no tools, just your hands. This head and scalp massage uses no oil and it helps to instantly boost blood flow to the brain, making us feeling calm and relaxed. It has a number of other amazing benefits, such as improved nourishment to the hair follicles, which leads to more lustrous, thicker hair. When we release tension from the frontalis muscle and the connective tissues that stretch over the scalp, we help to improve blood flow to the whole face, which has a fantastic effect on our skin and the face muscles. Skin acquires more glow and the face muscles no longer feel tight and tense. As we know, tension is not great for our faces as it creates wrinkles. For the headache sufferers, this massage can be a wonderful tool to find relief from the headaches. Just make sure that you massage at the first sign of the headache if possible. This video has no commentary, just follow along with me on the screen. Are you ready? Let's get started together. Thank you for doing this video with me, which was a self-care, relaxing head and scalp massage. We released tension in the head fascia, boosted blood flow to the brain to improve focus and clarity, and improved hair follicle growth for thicker, lustrous hair. You might feel tingly and warm in the head and face now, which is a sign that you made a difference. Practice this one whenever you have head or face tension, feel a headache coming on, or whenever you'd like to boost glow to the face skin. Please leave me a comment and a like, any feedback that you might have. And if you're not a subscriber yet, go ahead, subscribe to my channel so that you can receive the videos from me on how to age naturally and gracefully. And if you're interested in having a personal face fitness program, I now offer online consultations to create your own personalized face yoga program tailored to your face aging issues. Details of this can be found on my website radiantyears.co.uk/faceyoga. Have a wonderful day today, and I will see you next time. Bye!